Oh. Oh.
101.
Hey, Cling community, thanks for stopping by. We got a big one for you today. We got 2025 Pop Century. These got some awesome hits possible. Sylvester Stallone, Hannibal Lecter, Anthony Hopkins, dual autos, plenty of different items. I've seen there was Pamela Anderson, Hawk to a Girl. There was Corey Taylor. Thank you guys for showing up. I want to encourage you, please subscribe, like, comment, share this content with anyone you think would like it. Tell me what the big hits are that you've seen. If you pulled this, also tell me what you pulled. I want to hear some bragging rights, please. We're going to get this started. I believe there's 4 cards and a pack of the proofs, 2 proof plates or proofs. So we'll check that out. I believe they come either in like a one-touch or possibly a top loader. I do not remember from last year. Links in the description up there for these 2 videos from 2024. We're over 500 subscribers, so if you guys subscribe, it'll help out the channel tremendously. We got the there's the proof pack. Over 90% of you guys watching are not subscribed, so any reaching out will help the channel. Got plenty of videos. Check them out. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get this going. We got a green. Richard Greco? It's a top loader. 1 of 5. Richard Greco. Let me know who that is. Richard Greco. Let me know in the comments. I do not know who this is. Should I know who it is? That's the thing. Our next one, we got a die cut. Terry Hatcher. Die cut. I don't see the number on this. 1 of 1 down in the corner there. 1 of 1. Terry Hatcher. Die cut. What a nice looking signature too. A second pull. Let's get to number 3. Would you like these pulls? Tell me in the comments. What's the next one? A black and white. Emilio Estevez. A Mighty Ducks. Breakfast Club. 1 of 1. Woo! Hot to trot. In the last video we did pull a 1 of 1. All 5 autos of the Breakfast Club members. Check that one out in the link. Last card, and then we'll get to the pack. Sarah Michelle Gellar. on the silver. Wowee. That's a 456 out of 500. That's a high number pull there, but still looks very nice. Very, very nice.
You're goddamn right.
Let me know what you guys thought of them bad boys. We didn't get any, got no bonus or nothing, so not expecting to, but that would have been sweet getting like something extra that they threw in accidentally. Now let's get to this 1-of-1 proof. It's already open. Ooh, is that a good sign? Oh, what would you do? Oh, Toasty! Let me know in the comments what you would do in this situation. Oh boy. Let's see what we got. Got a 1-of-1 Chuck Norris. Yahoo! Pre-production, not signed. Chuck Norris proof. So before any of the backing gets put on it, it's what it's going to look like, and then they would jot their John Hancock, their Herbie Hancock on there. And the final one, is it a printing plate? Pop Century. Cillian Murphy. Ooh. Wow, that was a cool. And it's a Scarecrow one from Batman Begins. I think I would have rather wanted a proof of him that would have been scripted as 28 Days Later, in my opinion, but that's just me. Tell me what you guys think. These things look awesome. I want to thank you guys again for showing up. Tell me what the good pull is here. Tell me what you think of the opening. Subscribe. Turn those post notifications on. We'll see ya. Deuces. Thanks for watching, and again, for further support, please go to my Patreon. Support me even further. Depending on each tier, you can get entered into larger and larger free giveaways for cards, as well as early access before any other YouTuber, and you get your name showcased at the end of all my full-length videos. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.